What's going on, YouTube? This is Kevin here, and I'm about to leave for the airport to head over to Dallas, Texas to visit the ZTE USA headquarters. So, really exciting stuff. I am going to be using my ZTE Axon 10 Pro to vlog the entire trip. So let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality from this entire vlog. But let's get started. So I've got to show you this. I finally got my hotel room, and ZTE really set me up with a nice room. This is insane. This is just for me. We have a TV sitting room in here. A nice view of downtown Dallas out here. So a very spacious room. There's a kitchen table. There's a desk over here in the corner. There's an oven, a microwave, a stovetop, coffee pot, sink, dishwasher, fridge with ice maker. This is crazy. And then the bedroom. So it looks like probably a king-sized bed here. Again, with a view of downtown Dallas. Another TV in here just for the bedroom. It's really nice. And I get my own washer and dryer in the hotel room as well. So thank you so much, ZTE, for setting me up with a really nice hotel room. I really appreciate it. Who's the best smartphone maker in the world? ZTE! Good morning. We're on our way over to the ZTE corporate offices in Dallas, Texas. Looking forward to it. We're in our Uber right now. What do you think?
A little cramped, but
What do you think?
good.
I got 3 of these. I got 1 of these. None of these. None of these. None of these. But they all beautiful. This is.
Oh yeah, the most beautiful phone in the whole place.
This is back to my roots.
Their first millionth sold phone.
This is what got me into the ZTE game. Right here. Is this beautiful phone?
What is that?
It's the S Pro 2.
What does it do?
It's a projector, an amazing projector. Which I forgot how many lumens it had. It was really cool.
200.
Oh.
And here's breakfast.
Many of you have met Brad, but he's our US CEO. I think a couple of you.
Yeah, we met him.
CBS.
Oh yeah, we follow each other on Twitter.
I think I recognize the few faces. Yeah.
Jack is 22.
So you guys the first time to be in this headquarters, this location?
No, I've been
Oh.
here since 2000.
I've been to see you guys.
I mean, in
So what are we doing today?
So we're gonna eat, take good food photos. We're gonna walk around Deep Ellum, get some more photos. Then we're gonna head back to the hotel, and we're gonna devise a plan for tomorrow. That's about it.
Sounds fun.
Take a picture of this.
Hey, look, and his mouth's right too.
Hey, you know what? Okay, that's better. That's
right
better.
in mouth.
We can put it here. Yeah, you can put one here. Take your slice.
And we'll put the other one on the other corner.
Yeah.
It's always somebody messing the whole thing up.
Here,
Hold on, he's taking
take
a
this
picture.
photo. Ready? Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get that photo.
Sorry, guys.
Hi everyone, over here in the hotel lobby getting ready to take our Uber over to the airport. I'd like to thank ZTE USA and the Z community for bringing us out here. I had a great time and looking forward to doing more events like this in the future.